Short as expected, preferred entry at 1937 and 25. Below superior support price now trading down sharply. Mark to the market at 1935 and 50. That's 1935 and 50. Strong pending orders right now at 1935. Here for 252. Ghosted in and out, many orders at 36 and 37 to drive the prices down. Extremely strong distribution on bid-ask here. These are all proprietary indicators, including prop level 2. Confirmed orders here on our proprietary VTC 5-second. Confirmed sell, and the larger sell that dropped the prices down for the probe for the preferred entry before the fill was had. Time is 5:19 a.m. on 9/15/2015. That's 9/15/2015 trading. ES near contract month 12/2015. Pending orders remain. Large order at 35 for 252. (5:21 or 8 seconds Eastern). That's 4:21:11 Central. Now the probe is the interesting part below here at this point at the 37 flat area. If prices can hold, and they should at 1937 and 25, they will continue to trade to the downside. This is a short-term correction within a brand new leg of an existing downtrend that at this point we feel, based on our analysis, has incredible point potential to the downside. 15-minute levels laid out on a 1-minute chart: 36.50, 34.50, 31, 29.50. We're going to cut the tape and pick it back up when the prices continue to move to the downside. Time is now 6:27 a.m. on 9/15/2015. We've identified a preferred entry price at 1940 and 75 for the best possible fill. Institutional volume is coming back to back. 5-second proprietary VTC study shows that buy is confirmed 100%. 800 contracts, just short of 5. Minor sells. 1-minute BTC VMA is down. Looking for prices to hold 1941.75. Possibly minor tick below in order to continue to move upside. MACD's crossed, real time, SMI. MFI, CMF strong to the upside. How are we looking on the 5s, Mark?
5's clear to be long, above everything above support. And that money flows.
How much room to go to the upside based on the current regions?
MFI is at 79 in the upper, obviously upper portion of its chart. CMF still has room to go to the upside.
Copy that. Now, based on the preferred entry price at 1940 and 75, one would have got filled a tick above for the rite of passage at 1941 flat. Target immediately set at 42.50. Again, could be out here on a market order to lock it in at 1942 and 50. Excellent short-term move as prices continue to move to the upside. Next recommended out is 43.50 at market or limit, depending upon the action at that time. I have MFI with a tick down and CMF flat.
Tick downs on both money flows on the fives.
Okay, so a failed try to get to 43.50 would leave a trader out right now to lock in the profit, which would have been 42 and 50 from the preferred end at 40.75. Not a bad move. This is what the methodology on the VTC side has identified early AM. Here to latest out at 42.75 or 42.50 market order here, and a failed try to get to 43.50. We have no substantial buys on our proprietary 5-second VTC showing here. No proprietary sells here to take out what happened on the buy side. Prices may stabilize and continue to move up. However, what we will need is a confirmation on the fives that can happen. How are we looking on your end?
Both the MFI is flat, CMF is on a down tick, both above support.
Copy that. With MFI on a down tick and CMF as well, new 15-minute bar open. The next possible leg would have a preferred entry price here at 43 and 25. That's again 43 and 25 for a possible continuation move to the upside. CMF now back up with increased momentum to the upside, and MFI looking to hold current floor at support. CMF.
Both money flows. Sorry.
Go ahead.
Both money flows flat, above support.
Price is now back up, touching the preferred entry. That is four highs within the last 7 minutes. And we'll be looking for additional volume coming in right about now in order to consider this move to the upside. And there you have it, coming in. Indicator up. through. Target to the upside becomes 44.75. That's 44.75. MFI now holding the floor, retracing to the upside. On the initial downward momentum, now we're even. All indicators on 15 remain clear to be long.
Clear to be long on the 5s.
Copy that.
CMF at resistance. Now with a tick down.
$1943.75 mark to the market. It's $1943.75.
CMF still with a tick down below resistance. MFI flat above support.
I've increased momentum to the upside at a negative 9.7 and some change now, a negative 10, negative 5.27.
There we go.
Yeah. And there you have it.
Okay.
44.75 could have been taken off right now. Now the buy that came in here obviously was greater than the downside, so there you have it again. Now we're at 200. Confirms that the price movement is backed by, let's get that on another screen here, larger institutions. How are we looking on the 5s? Do you have any negative divergences against price levels?
Not at this level, no. At this point, no.
Okay. So what we have successfully done here within the Vector Traders Consortium room that myself and Mark Sicella are trading in, again, 6:37 a.m. Tuesday, September 15th. Identified the preferred entry price, 40.75, and then a profit area here, back down at 42.75, possibly 42.50 on the latest fill to the out to lock in a profit here, and an additional entry here at 43.25 to get out at 44.75. Our methodology does have universal application to any freely traded market with enough liquidity. However, from our perspective, there's no need to trade any other market because there's more than plenty of opportunities right here. As you can see, we have just demonstrated, successfully identified two different legs. In the larger picture of what we're looking at here is the longer term holders would never have been out of this trade who had a wider stop set, right? It never would have been out. So a profit could have been gained from 40.75 on the entry, which would have been 41 on the fill, all the way up to 44.75 if you were a long-term holder, again, employing a wider stop. Mark, any final words on today's rec? Very well. Jeff Killian for the VTC, signing off now at 6:39 a.m. Eastern Standard on September 15th. We'll pick it up on the next session.